What's up, fish lovers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jake. This is Foreshore Fishing. So today it's another hot California day. We're walking along the Sacramento River looking for a couple spots of fish. Come along for the ride. All right, guys, getting ready here to pop out onto the river. There's a whole bunch of bamboo right here. Could use some of that to make a poke pole someday. That's another video. See if anyone's down here. All right, so it looks like the water level's up a little bit. Not really high, but good enough to fish. So today's a little over 100 degrees. Make sure you stay hydrated. Definitely important. As much as I really wanted to just stay indoors today where it was nice and cool, you know what, guys? We only live once. You only get one shot at this. You got to make every day count. You know, some of the days where I force myself out of the house when I didn't want to are some of the best days I've ever had. So you guys don't forget that. So normally there's a clear path to go walk straight ahead, but it's underwater, so I'm walking in it. Made it. There we go. I know you guys probably couldn't see it, but there's a deer right on the other side of this tree, and I didn't want to spook it. I'm gonna stand real still, but there is a fish there. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh no. Oh, that was a big one, guys. Okay, let's see if we can't. It swam right up to it and just looked at it. So obviously I should have tried a little better for a reaction strike. Oh, got one. What is it? Oh, it's a little baby striper. Oh my God. This could be the world's smallest striper. Good for you, little buddy. All right, let's get that little guy back. And off he goes like a rocket. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is a squawfish, but that one is a decent sized one. Oh, no. All right. Let's see if we can get something. Oops, up, there we go. Got one. Yeah, buddy. Little striper. Right on, too small though. A little shaker action. Okay, here he goes back to the depths. All right, guys, this is why you got to get out and explore on those days that you don't want to leave the house. Get your booty out there. And that last one really wanted it. He hit it like 3 different times. Oh, I don't know what that was, but something just went after it like crazy. I do have a Whopper Plopper I'm going to try throwing later too, just to see. It makes sense why there would be striper here, because I see a lot of bait fish in the water. Oh, there's one. Another striper, another baby striper. Where there's small ones, there's big ones. I just made that up. So just in case any of you guys are wondering later, I'm using the Mega Bass Vision 110. Don't remember the exact name of the color, but you can kind of see it there. Now it's time for a little Whopper Plopper magic. Oh, oh, did you guys see that? Oh, oh, bumblebee, big ass bumblebee. Whoa, wonder what that was. Oh, there's one. Another little striper. There's, oh man, they are just tiny over here. I don't even know if I should put this in a video. My smallest striper. Oh my gosh. Right in front of me. That about gave me a heart attack. Well, I'm gonna head back to the car before it gets dark. The sun's going down. Just want to thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. You guys take care.